In Jaunpur, the codeine golf syrup trafficking racket has widened as 4 more firms have been booked, taking the total number of companies involved to 18. According to the district drug inspector's investigation, the newly identified firms carried out transactions worth crores of rupees linked to the banned cough syrup. This development comes after an earlier FIR was registered against 12 medical store owners and 2 others for allegedly running a large-scale illegal trade of codeine-based syrup. The expanding probe highlights the growing scale of the racket and the serious challenge it poses to law enforcement and public health authorities in the region.
काटते हैं बताएं किसको देते हैं साइन करके देखेंगे ना। हाँ कौन करता है इसको साइन? तो ये पार्टनरशिप फर्म है, तो मैं भी एक अच्छा पार्टनरशिप फर्म है।
कुछ ताज़ा कार्रवाई की गई है आपके द्वारा, क्या कुछ मामला है पूरी बात बताइए, कितने लोगों के खिलाफ फिर मुकदमा है?
ये इसका कब सिरप
In Srinagar, a harsh cold